Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Headspace weekly settings. Then we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about Headspace and you will click. After that you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.